Hello, are you a young printmaker? Are you an old printmaker? Are you something in between? If you love printmaking, you might want to consider my proposition. Make your own press. Yes, it's a plastic press, it's 3D printed, and it's not very big, but it works. But what's more important, it brings out the social value of printmaking, not only the aesthetics and so forth, which we pretty much know all about from tradition, but goes into the future. The future of printmaking rests with you who are willing to take the parts from a 3D printer handed to you from a chip, a disk, a flash drive that I can give you with all the code, the G code that's needed to print your own press, with more instructions, of course, from me and others. I'm not the only one. This started in Germany about 6 or 7 years ago with the 3D printed presses that worked, and also in the United States. So give me a call, send me an email, get on it. Thank you for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.